Għawissu, xar magħruf għall-klima ferm sħuna li jġib miegħu iżda li xorta jibqa' popolari mat-turisti minkejja ħafna minnhom mhumiex imdorrijin f'dawn it-temperaturi. Kultant aħna l-Maltin stess ingergru xi ftit minħabba sħana, però it-turisti x'jaħsbu?
As we are from France, we are not used to so hot weather, but think it's okay. We're gonna find the shadow.
Yeah, it's because it's very attractive island. It's the best weather for the summer. The clean ocean, sea.
Yes, it's perfect weather, I think.
Oħrajn għalkemm ma stennewx li jsibu klima daqshekk sħuna jippruvaw jadattaw.
Any experience before the hot weather? It's the hottest weather, I guess.
I think one can cope quite good with the weather, so one just have to switch the daily routine a little bit.
Il-baħar, ix-xemx u d-divertiment anke f'din is-sħana huma raġunijiet tajba biex turisti żgħażagħ iżuru pajjiżna.
Summer and sea and beaches and I like going to parties. It's very fun here and I made a lot of friends and I like parties.
Never ending story in San Gillian. Never sleeping city. It's okay for me.
Diversi turisti jiġu għal-Festi Maltin, kif ukoll għall-istorja, postijiet ta' interess u l-kwiet li joffru ċertu żoni.
Quite like it. So we stay in the northern part in St. Paul's Bay and it's quite nice. It's quiet and the beaches are fine and it's a lot of history. So right now we came from the Museum of Archaeology. It was really fine. So
A lot of interesting places to see. For example, now we are going to Blue Lagoon to see, and I think it's a very attractive island to visit.